So today is moving day. We're moving into the van, and honestly, I'm pretty stressed.
She's a little stressed about fitting things in the van, but I'm not too worried about it.
I don't know if everything's gonna fit.
I think we're gonna be able to make everything fit, no problem. Just gotta make it fit, and that's how you do it.
We have a lot of stuff.
I mean, it is a tight space. We talked about this. We debated if we should buy an actual bus that's been converted to a camper, or if we wanted to stay more stealth, and we went with the stealth route. So space is obviously going to be an issue, but we're going to have to learn how to deal with it, because this is home for the next year. Babe, I don't know what else to say.
We have cleaned out the van pretty much completely.
Yeah.
We're getting there. Still need to figure out how to make everything fit a little bit better, but everything's in for now. Our first stop on the adventure definitely doesn't disappoint. Michael's trying to fly the drone in the wind.
We were just wondering if you had any availability for camp tonight. We're not taking anybody tonight.
Hi there, I was wondering if you had any availability.
Yeah, just rock up.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Hello. You gonna try setting up the awning?
Let's do it.
Just seeing if you can do it by yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
One person? Look at that. An apple crumble donut. Not bad. Overall, 7 out of 10.
So we've been living in the van for a few nights now, and while we fit everything in it, it doesn't fit very well. So we're going to just make some adjustments and hopefully get some more storage out of it. Now that we've made all the adjustments that we want to make, we figured we'd give you a tour before we hit the road. But first, we gotta be able to stand. Let's start in the kitchen. We have an indoor kitchen with propane stove and MTV crib style. Gotta show off our fridge. It's a 65-liter brass monkey. There's food in it. That's about it. The most exciting part, our brand new faucet. Now we have filtered running water. Moving on to the bedroom, we raised the bed so that we could have more storage underneath. We also have storage here, which we keep an assortment of things, and then clothes and more clothes, because we brought way too many clothes.
All right, so now that Chantal has given you the tour of the inside of the van, let's take a look outside. First thing is just here, kind of our power center. This is where we charge everything. Just below, we have our inverter, so we can charge our laptops, our phones, whatever else. And that all comes from our battery system that hides behind the passenger seat back here, which gets charged from the vehicle while we're driving it, and the solar panel up on the roof. The next fun thing we have here on the outside is our lovely awning to give us shade, and you can set it up one person. So coming around front, we have storage and spare tire number 1, high beams, and a bull bar. Around to the driver's side, the only important thing here on this side is all hidden under here. We have access to gas for the stove, and also where we fill the water tank up, which hides right down under here. And around back, we have spare tire number 2. That's about it. I should mention, this is probably one of the most awkward vehicles I've ever gotten in and out of. Now that we're in the cabin, let me tell you a little bit about it. It is a 5-speed manual petrol engine, as they say down here in Australia, and that's the works.
Now it's time to actually start exploring. First stop, Flinders Ranges.
This tells us of danger and offers protection If we go over a speed bump too fast, it didn't even do it. It does that, and we know that there's danger ahead, but I think it just overreacts.